I'll give two answers. First, a negative answer to that, which is that, at the end of the day, reading is a solitary affair, and it has to be a solitary affair, and it has to be like this sense of coming inside and learning about yourself and expanding yourself by learning about others, because reading is ultimately about learning about more people than you could otherwise. Actually, that's one thing reading is about. And so there's a self-exploration in it, discovering parts of yourself you didn't know about inside of literature. But then there's the coming back from there. And the deeper that each of us goes into that solitary place, each of us goes into that introspective space of, and not just in reading but in writing, of becoming more deeply observant of the world around us, of our feelings, of our ideas. By developing that awareness, we begin to be able to contribute more to others. And so, and now the positive answer is that, ultimately the students, when they're writing, they should be writing with the intention to publish, but in order to enlighten others around them and to share what they're learning and what they're discovering, what's lighting them up to other people so they can be lit up in the same way. And that process is, I think, it builds a community of that's rich with this dynamism that is very inspiring to students. And so that process of becoming more aware helps you listen more deeply, but it also helps you generate something to share with others, and that process of sharing with others becomes, in a sense, an act of service. And in that act of service, you become uplifted as well, and it becomes this mutual upliftment where you and I we're both growing individually, and we're helping each other grow together, and that there's a lot of power behind that. So yeah, sharing the writing, sharing our thoughts about the reading, the more deeply they can come into their work, the more they can give to others.